Man, I got all the kick butt cars today, man. This is a 2018 Porsche Cayenne with 56,000 miles. And man, get you some switch gear. I mean, look at all these buttons and switches. How the hell do you start this thing? Oh, you gotta put the key in over there, I bet. I love how the key's shaped like a little Porsche. I think that's what you do. You put it in, like so. Ooh. Change oil now, 57,000. Mind. Boy, we're out of fuel too. No, I don't want to search for gas. I do want your fan speed up and your AC on. Man, I've never driven a Cayenne. I've ridden in them a few times. My brother almost bought a, what was it, a Cayenne GTS? Did they offer one of those several years back? I mean, they're fantastic SUVs. I mean, so well screwed together, and I mean, you just can't. I mean, it makes a Mercedes look silly as far as nuts and bolts and screwed down and, together. This one has almost 57,000, and I swear it feels like it's got 7,000. I'm sure this is going to be a quick ride too. Not sure it's going to be quite as fast as the XKR was, but I bet it'll be pretty peppy. Alright, so what we got? This is a V6. Yeah, it says it's a base model. So yeah, this must be a V6. Still got plenty of get up and go. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's got plenty of power, but this is not your Monster Cayenne. Not your Monster Cayenne. Man, this thing runs and drives good. Got kind of a small infotainment screen there. Keep getting interrupted with phone calls this afternoon. Jeez Louise. Man, we got memory seats. I mean, we got dual zone climate control. I mean, it's got everything. Heated, cooled seats. We got the on-road, off-road, air suspension, panorama sunroof. I like the crests and the headrest. Those are cool. Got a Bose stereo. This right here says Platinum Edition. Not sure what that all entails. It's got a decent looking wheel on it with some Michelins. God, it's a smooth runner too, buddy. 3.6, yep. That's the good old Volkswagen Touareg motor right there. I don't think it's a bad little engine. It's just not a lot of power. I mean, for, what you're spending your money on here. But if you want the look and you want to do it on a budget, this would probably work. I like it. I'd drive it. I'd daily the shit out of it. Oh man, clean as can be. Still got the little net protector thing. Cool. Good shape. Yeah, This thing's nice. Nice! But all of these are too expensive for me. Right now it is. Ooh, look at the Audi A7. That thing is clean. Yeah, I'm the dealer that comes out and just drives the nice supercars or the higher end cars. Sorry, seatbelt. Bling, bling. I've got to get over here and drive something like that little Mazda 2. I got to find me another cheap ride. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.